In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your speaker notes while presenting Google Slides. Imagine giving a presentation with the confidence of having all your notes right in front of you without anyone else knowing. This is possible through the Presenter View feature in Google Slides, which is designed to make your presentation smoother and more effective. Let's dive into the process of using this feature step by step. First, you'll need to open your presentation. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's crucial to start everything from here. So go ahead and launch the Google Slides presentation you're planning to share with your audience. Ensure that everything looks just the way you want it, as this is what your audience will be focusing on during your talk. Now, let's transition into the presenter view. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a button labeled Slideshow. Click the down arrow next to it. You'll see a drop-down menu, and here's where the magic happens. Select Presenter View. This option opens up a separate window designed just for you, the presenter. This new window is your control center. It's here where you can see your current slide, the next slide in the sequence, and most importantly, your speaker notes. Think of it as having a tiny assistant right next to you, feeding you the right lines at just the right time. You can easily follow along with your presentation, ensuring that you stay on track and hit all the points you want to cover. Navigating through your slides is also a breeze. You can use the arrow keys or the navigation controls within the Presenter View window. This feature ensures that you move seamlessly from one slide to the next, helping you maintain a smooth flow in your delivery. What's even better is that while you enjoy all these tools and previews, your audience sees only the main presentation window. They're engaged with the visuals and key points you've prepared for them, completely unaware of your assisting notes. By using the presenter view, you can deliver your presentation with greater ease, focusing on engaging the audience while having a reliable guide at your side. It's one of those tools designed to enhance your delivery without anyone even knowing it's there. So, take advantage of this feature and let it help you present with clarity and confidence.